Hi guys, my name is Mrs. Davila and I teach sixth grade math here at South Belton Middle School. This is starting my 14th year in education, and I've taught from pre-K all the way up to sixth grade. I taught 4 years previous to coming to South Belton over at Chisholm Trail Elementary, and so a lot of the students that I have now recognize me from over at Chisholm. Want to just give you some information about my classroom and what to expect. Want to let you know to start off with that our daily routine, we start with a warm-up and then we move into our first lesson and then our activity and practice. If we are in a 100-minute block, then we'll go into a second lesson and then activity and then reflection closure. And then for both classes, the 50-minute and the 100-minute block, we do a cleaning the last 5 minutes of class. So we go around and clean the tables and chairs that the students sat in. Everybody cleans their own desk and chair. I don't have them clean any of the other seats. Supplies that are needed in my class, they need to have their Chromebook fully charged. They need to bring their journal every day, pair of headphones or earbuds. They need a pencil, not a pen, and they need a bottle of glue and scissors. We can't share supplies in class this year, so they're going to need to make sure that they have all of that with them. And then a suggested supply would be a water bottle that seals so that they can fill it up with water at the water fountain daily. Information in my class, we take notes in our notebooks and we put practice problems in there, and then our Chromebooks we'll use for the classroom to do any assignments that are going to be turned in. We use Cami and Nearpod for our lessons. The kids are going to download their assignments from Schoology and then put them in Cami. Cami allows them to write on the notes and on the PDFs, and then they'll turn the completed work into Cami when they're finished. Schoology is where all of our assignments are available. I forgot to attach the picture, but you can ask your students to show you how their assignments are organized in Schoology. Everything is organized by week, so we just finished week 2, so next week, week 3 will be at the top. At-home learners need to log into the Zoom link that's provided in Schoology at the time of their class. So if they're in second period, they'll need to log in at 9 o'clock to get on my Zoom for my second period math class. If they're unable to join us, they can access the notes and then email me if they have any questions. And then our students that come to school on a daily basis, if they happen to be at home sick, they can log into the Zoom and see the same information that they would get if they were sitting in the class. So they don't fall behind if they're able to get onto our Zoom. So grades, we have 3 major grades every 9 weeks that consist of quizzes, tests, and projects. And then we have 6 minor grades, which are classwork activities and discussion posts. If your student is absent, they're responsible for getting all of their work taken care of. They get 1 day for every day they're absent. And then they're required to turn in a doctor's note or a parent note within 5 days of returning to have it excused. Communication, I'm going to use Remind for the majority of my communication, but any long communication or anything in regards to grades will be sent out through Skyward. So we need to make sure that you're logged into the correct Remind code, and then that we have your correct email address on file. Any communications that have to do with your particular child as far as grades and missing work or whatnot goes will be sent out through Skyward. My conference time is at 9 o'clock, or from 9:05 to 10:45 on B days. I can be reached by email through Remind. You can call my classroom phone number and it'll go directly to voicemail. If you call during the day, if it's after 4 o'clock, it will usually ring in my classroom. So you'll just send me information and I can get back with you. I wanted to give you guys a view of my classroom real quick. All of our desks are socially distanced. They are 6 feet apart, front and back, and on the sides. Our students wipe them down after every class, and then they sanitize their hands as they come into our classroom. We are making sure our students keep their masks on, covering their noses and their mouths at all times, and reminding them that they need to stay in their seats at all times and not get up and wander around the classroom. The students are doing a great job raising their hand, asking for help, and keeping those masks on. But that's all I've got for you this evening. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, look forward to a successful year. Bye.